violin plot. So violin plot also same like a cat plot only, but here the violin plot here, this is a variation of cat plot where the data is displayed in the form of violins. Okay, in cat plot data is displayed in the form of cats. In violin plot data is displayed in the form of violins like this. If you observe violin plot, so like this data is displayed, right? And so to draw violin plots, we have to use kind equal to violin attribute in the cat plot function. Okay, we have to use cat plot function and we have to write this kind equal violin attribute if you want to draw violin plot. Okay, with a simple program we will draw this violin plot. Here write a Python program to display violin plot using iris flower data. Compare the sepal length of all the three types of flower represented by species column. Species column has these three types of flowers will be there, and we have to find which species has higher sepal length. Okay, taking x-axis species column and y-axis sepal length. Simple, just like a cat plot only. Okay, we have, if you know the cat plot, you can understand easily this volume plot also. First we have to import the libraries, SeaBorn library, and then we have to import the data set available in the SeaBorn library. Simple, right? So import the libraries first step. Second step, import the iris data set. Okay, in load underscore dataset function, and returns iris data frame. Just execute it, right? So these are the species, different sepal length will be there. So unique species values, just these three is there. We have to find the which species has highest sepal length. Okay, for that we have to use the cat plot function. To draw the violin plot, we have to use the cat plot function, sns dot cat plot. Okay, and which data set we are using? Data is equal to iris, and next we are taking x equal to species column, and y axis sepal length. Okay, y axis sepal length, sepal underscore length, and okay, to draw cat plot this is enough, but we have to draw violin plot. For that we have to use kind is equal to violin. Okay, simple, kind is equal to violin. That's it. Let's execute plots. See, observe violin plot. Okay, so after drawing this violin plot, you can observe that Virginica has higher sepal length when compared to the Cetosen versicolor. Okay, observe here. So if you want to draw the cat plot, just take out this violin plot. Simple, just execute it. See, cat plot. Okay, hanging cat. Okay, so like that, simple, both are same, but only if you want to draw a plot like a violin, you just use kind equal to violin, otherwise it returns cat plot. Okay, simple. So that's about the violin plot. In next video we will see the pair plot. Okay.